Alright, here we are. Conversion of numbers from one base to another. So let's say, for example, we are being given the base, the number 110 base 2, and we are being told to convert from base 2 to base 5. So now in such a case, when we are being told to convert from a particular base to another base, the first thing we have to do is to convert from, let's write the steps. Step 1, convert from base 2 to base 10. Step 2. Now, after converting to base 10, the step 2 will now be convert from base 10 to base 5. That means the given base that we have been asked to convert to. So let's go on step 1 first of the conversion. Step 1. Let's solve step 1. Now, when you're converting from a particular base to base 10, you will be multiplying that number by the power. So this is what I'm talking about. We have 110,111 base 2. Let's split it. First of all, we raise to the power of 0, 1, 2, just like that. So let's raise them. We write this is raised to the power of 1, this is raised to the power of this is raised to the power of 0, this is raised to the power of 1, raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 3, raised to the power of 4, raised to the power of 5. So what we are now going to say is 1 multiplied by 2 base 5. You understand? 2 to the power of 5 plus 1 times 2 to the power of what? 4 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0 to the power of 0. That is it. So now let us calculate. We have 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 means calculating 2 5 times. So 2 times 2, 2 times 2 in 5 places. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And we have 1 times 32. Let's put that in a bracket. Plus 1 times 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Plus 0 times 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Plus 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Yes, 2 to the power of 0 is 1 because any number raised to the power of 0 is naturally 1. So if we continue with this, we have 1 times 32 is 32, plus 1 times 16 is 16, plus 0 times 8 is 0, plus 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 times 1 is 1. Now, if we break this down, if we add up, we say 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So let's start from the smallest. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 16 will give us 23. And 23 plus 32 will give us 55. So we have 55 base 10. And this is how it will be. So step 1 is done. So the next thing we have to do is move on to step 2. And step 2 says convert from base 10 to base 5. So let's go on to step 2. Step 2. Step 2. So now we have, now when you want to convert from base 10 to any other base, this time you have to divide. Remember, you have to what? Divide. So you have to divide. Now, you divide means dividing 55 by the particular base, which is base 5. So we say, we put on a table, write 55, we're dividing by 5. Now 55 will be divided by 5. So how many times will you see 5 in 55? That will be 11 times. 11 times, remainder what? 0. We have what? Remainder. But now, because of we are dealing with number bases, we are dealing more with the remainder. So we have 11 remainder 0. Draw another line. 5 again, divide until we get 0. Now 5 divided by 11 gives us what? 2, because 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 2 times of 5 inside of 11. So we have 2 here. Remainder 1. Yes, remainder 1. Then do we still have something? Remember I said when we are dealing with number bases, we are dividing until we get to what? 0. So we have 5 again here in 2. Is that possible? No. So that will be 0. 5. You can't find 5 inside of 2. So it will be 0. Remainder 2. Remainder 2. Remainder 2. And because of we are dealing with the remainders, we are taking the numbers from beneath to above. So our number in base 5 will be 2, 1, 0, base 5. Therefore, we can now conclude that our answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 base 2 is equals to 210 base 5, 210 base 5. So here is the answer, and I hope you understand. And if you don't, kindly feel free to pause and listen again. Do you have any questions? Please drop them and I will get back to you. Thank you so much.